This is my Scott Addict Gravel, and it's my favourite bike I've ever ridden. I've been riding this bike since December, and I've been racing across Europe, some gravel races. I want to tell you all about it because it's the best bike ever. Colourful. Wavy. One by. Wireless. 13 speed. Mounting points. Ooh, flared bars. Light. The frame is an extra small RC Addict Gravel. It's got 45mm tyre clearance, but I reckon I could squeeze the bigger tyres if I needed to. Favourite thing about the frame is that it's super light. It's so light, but I just love the colourway, and it's so poppy, and people ask me if it's a custom paint job, and it feels like it, but it's not. If you look a little bit closer, I've got some stickers on my bike, and these were given to me in Italy when we went to do the hills by Scott Addict. Grazie. This is a one-piece Syncross cockpit and 38cm bars with flair for better handling on the off-road. So these are Fulcrum Shark wheels, and you can see they're pretty special. I find them incredible in crosswinds, and you just feel so much more secure, so you're not getting battered about, and they just filter the air through, and yeah, so brilliant. I love them. So I've been racing on these tyres most of the season, and they are Schwalbe G One 45mm. They've got a little bit of tread on the shoulders, but they're basically slicks and super fast. Great on the road, and then a bit of grip off-road. In the tyres, I have Squirt sealant. Haven't had a puncture this year. No mechanicals in the races, so that's been running really well. And then on the chain, I've also got Squirt wax. So the drivetrain is Sram Red Axis Explore. So it's 42, 10, 46 at the back, and I've had the same ratio for every race, whether it's flat Belgian race or hilly Italian race, and it's worked for me. So out the box, this bike seems to fit me like a glove. The only thing I've changed is the saddle. Thanks MB Cyclery for that one. But other than that, fits like a glove. Absolutely love it. Haven't changed the front end spacers. It's all stayed the same. It's pretty great. Absolutely loved riding, training and racing on this bike this year, and one more big adventure coming up, so stay tuned. This is a nice one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Are you working on me? The frame is 29cm, which is an X. Oh yeah.
29 centimeters would be like